The UAG Pathfinder Camo case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a standout choice for those seeking rugged durability without compromising on style or functionality. Its feather-light composite construction combines a patented hard outer armor shell with an impact-resistant soft core, all wrapped in a striking camo finish with torsion screw details. The interior hex pattern enhances shock absorption, ensuring your phone stays protected even in the toughest conditions. Plus, it's made with 50% recycled materials, making it a sustainable option for eco-conscious users. One of the standout features is its compatibility with magnetic charging. The built-in magnet module ensures a seamless attachment experience with MagSafe and MagSafe accessories, while also working with most third-party wireless chargers and Samsung Pay. This makes it a versatile choice for users who rely on wireless charging or magnetic accessories. The case also excels in functionality. A traction grip around the perimeter provides secure handling, while ultra-responsive oversized tactile buttons offer a satisfying click feel. Integrated lanyard anchor points add convenience for on-the-go use, and precise cutouts ensure full access to the S Pen. Enhanced elevated perimeters protect both the screen and camera lens from scratches and impacts. Durability is a key highlight, with the case meeting 3x military drop test standards and offering 18-foot drop protection. Whether you're an adventurer or just prone to accidental drops, the UAG Pathfinder Camo case delivers top-tier protection without the bulk, making it a reliable and stylish choice for the Galaxy S25 Ultra.